Alright guys, so I got another project going on with the Silverado. Just do a quick little facelift on the front of it. So right now what I'm working with is just the stock headlights here. They're kind of foggy. I tried to clear them up the best I can. They're kind of foggy though. We're going to be pulling those out. And then I got some new headlights over here from Amazon. It's got the LED strips in them. And also got LED bulbs that's going to go in them. So we're going to get these swapped on. I'm going to walk you through changing them out and how I'm going to do it. I'm going to end up this marker light here on the side, the little peanut bulb. I'm going to eliminate that and have that power my LED strips on the new ones, and that's probably going to be the route I take. So let me go on ahead and get started and get ready on it, and I'll walk you through changing this out. So the first step you're going to do is right here at the top of the headlights. There's two little bars right here. You're going to pop them over, pull them up. Alright, then you can slide your headlight on out. Now I already got the headlight bulbs out of mine because I already got LED bulbs to go in with the new ones. But that's how you're going to get that. Alright, next part, if you look right down in there, there's a clip right here. You can push it with your finger and the bottom one will pop right on out. Then you can go ahead and take your bulbs on out of here, push the tab down, rotate it, pops out, push the tab down, rotate it, and peanut bulb is rotated out, and there you go. That's how you remove the headlight assemblies on these 99 to 2000, early 2007 Silverados. Pretty simple, straightforward. So let me go ahead and get the other side out, and then we'll start working on putting the new ones in. Alright guys, so what I got going on is, like I said, I'm going to eliminate this marker lamp here because I don't want it to be on. I just want the LED basically to be my marker lamp. So that's the only thing that will be on. And I cut the peanut bulb off the end of the harness, and I just screwed it in there so it keeps the lamp sealed up. Then I got the two wires coming out here. I'm gonna strip them back and then connect them into this one, and also the LED strip for the top headlamp. So let me go on ahead and get that started. we got them all mounted up now. They on there, they look good, they fit good. Like I said, you just have to adjust those tabs a little bit and they fit right in there. I got a little bit overhang right here, but it's because my fender's been in, which pushes this over. So, but if this was like it's supposed to be right there, you wouldn't have that little bulge out. But they fit real good. Got them adjusted and everything right like they're supposed to be. Got the LED lights in there. So we'll go ahead and flip them on real quick. I did them a little bit different than the manufacturer designed them to go on. So like right now, so I have them set up the way I wired them to where when my marker lights and stuff is on, the only bulbs that's on is the LED strips, because I wanted to just have a nice clean look. I didn't want the orange turn signal bulb or nothing on. I actually took the orange turn signal bulb out because that peanut bulb that we wired in for the LEDs is actually for the turn signals. So now for my front turn signals, it'll be using the LED light. So that is what I'm functioning with for my turn signal now, instead of using the orange bulb down there, which I like a lot better. It's just a cleaner look to me than the orange bulb. And that's my white LED headlight bulbs. So overall, I'm happy with it. It's a nice, clean setup. Like I said, I wired them a little different than the manufacturer designed them. Like, they also have wires for these LEDs there, but I didn't want those. Like I said, I think it's a lot cleaner, just those LED strips. So I didn't wire those up. I eliminated marker light on the side there, and I eliminated the orange turn signal bulb and made the white LEDs my turn signal. So that's gonna be it for this. I'm gonna throw a couple pictures kind of before and after with a night shot of it, and y'all let me know what you think down below. I'll have all the parts and stuff as always down below where you can order these headlights, and also the white LEDs, the same ones I run in my big white truck too. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. I'll catch y'all in the next one on the next project. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if it don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette.